Spirit's book, The Vital Principle. Hello and welcome to You Are Spirituality, our YouTube channel dedicated to helping you live a better, happier life through insightful and thought-provoking content that explores spirituality. This is video 6 of a series dedicated to exploring and understanding the Spirit's book, a cornerstone of the Spiritism doctrine. The Spirit's book is a Q&A book with 1019 questions answered by benevolent spirits via mediums, exploring the afterlife and the nature of spirits, published in 1857 by Allan Kardec. In this video, we will review Chapter 4 of the book and cover questions 60 to 75, which cover organic and inorganic beings, life and death and intelligence. 1. The vital fluid, organic and inorganic beings. According to the Spirit's book, there is an energy in the universe called vital fluid, which is an essential principle that gives life to all living beings in the universe. The vital fluid originates from the cosmic fluid that permeates everything in the universe and has the power to animate life, generate movements and create vitality. It is present in the whole universe and is the source of all activity. There is a difference between organic and inorganic beings related to the vital fluid. Organic beings are born, grow, reproduce and die. They have organs adapted to the accomplishments of their lives and the satisfaction of their needs and preservation. The vital fluid is the principle that gives them the power of movement and activity, and distinguishes them from inert matter. Without the vital fluid, life would remain inert. In contrast, inorganic beings have a simpler vital fluid that is more closely related to the physical properties of matter. Although they contain a small amount of vital fluid, it is not enough to sustain life in the same way that it does for organic beings. The union of the vital fluid with matter is necessary to the production of life. The vital fluid is the animating principle that enables living beings to perform their functions and carry out their purpose. Different types of beings possess varying quantities of vital fluid, which is responsible for sustaining life and vitality. Some species are endowed with more active and tenacious lives, which results from an abundance of vital fluid. However, the quantity of vital fluid in an organism may become exhausted and insufficient for the maintenance of life, which must be replenished through assimilation. The fluid may be transmitted from one individual to another, and it may rekindle the vital flame when it is at the point of being extinguished. Death is caused by the exhaustion of the bodily organs in organic beings. After death, the matter that once composed the organism is decomposed and returns to the earth to form other bodies. The vital fluid that animated the being also returns to the general mass of the universal fluid. 2. Intelligence and instinct. According to the Spirit's book, intelligence is not an attribute of the vital fluid. Intelligence and matter are independent, as a body may live without intelligence, but intelligence can only manifest by means of bodily organs. Matter can only be rendered intelligent by its union with spirit, which comes from the universal intelligence, God. Instinct and intelligence are two distinct faculties. Instinct is inherent to all living beings, and it is responsible for basic actions such as nutrition, self-preservation, and reproduction. Instinct is a more automatic, reflexive and involuntary process. On the other hand, intelligence is a more complex faculty that is only present in higher order beings. It allows them to reason, analyze, and make decisions based on their own volition. Unlike instinct, which is innate, intelligence requires education, experience, and effort to be developed and improved. It is also related to moral and ethical decision-making. According to the Spirit's book, there are 3 classes of beings. 1. Inanimate beings, formed by matter alone, without life or intelligence, mineral world. 2. Animated non-thinking beings, formed of matter and endowed with vitality but not intelligence. 3. Animated thinking beings, formed with matter, endowed with vitality and intelligence. Main takeaways from the Vital Principle chapter. The teachings of the Spirit's book remind us of the intricate and interconnected nature of life in the universe. The vital fluid, which animates all living beings, is a fundamental energy that permeates everything and gives rise to movement and activity. We see the importance of the vital fluid in distinguishing organic from inorganic beings and how it sustains life and vitality. While intelligence and instinct are distinct faculties, both are essential to the functioning of living beings. We also learn about the 3 classes of beings, reminding us of the diversity and complexity of life in the universe. Overall, these teachings offer a perspective on the awe-inspiring nature of life and the interconnectedness of all things. This concludes our overview of the Vital Principle chapter, which also concludes the Book 1 of the Spirit's book titled Causes. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that this overview has sparked your interest and encouraged you to explore further. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos as we delve deeper into the teachings of Spiritism. Stay tuned for the next video about Chapter 6, Spirits, which also kicks off Book 2 of Spirit's book, The Spirit World. See you later.